Just hit it and be like, what's in here?
What's in here?
Moving it. What's in here? All right, ordered me a fishing magnet. Ordered it off Amazon. 1,225 pound pool magnet Forcetrons. They do pretty good. So they give you all this stuff you don't need. It's a little cost. Muscular magnetics. Will it make me more muscular? Will it make me more stronger? Two gloves for your hands. Let's go ahead and put these bad boys on. They're stretchy. I like stretchy gloves. I like stretchy things. They give us rope. I like rope. It's got the tag end already made, the knot already made. I guess this is thread tape. Good God almighty. This is for like when you go hunting for alligators or hang people from ceilings. Muscular magnetic sticker. My money shot. Thread locker glue, so pretty much. This is actually kind of nice because, good God, this thing is heavy. So you got thread on the side. This thread locker is for when you want to, you know, lock the threads. Get that kid walking. You put the thread locker on there, screw it on, you know, like so. And then you put it on like this. You screw it down, open it up, put it on the rope, screw it on, screw it tight. Throw it out there, and then you pick up stuff. It's magnetic. It's that easy. Look, it's that easy, you stupid idiot. I'm gonna make a weapon out of this. There's absolutely nothing that can go wrong here. Yeet! Yeet! A little chunk came out. Look at it. That's from my knife, not from assembling it. Yeet. I yeet, then I delete. Yeet. Let's go around picking stuff up. What can we pick up with this thing? Anson, come here, boy. Where's the box? I say yeet. This is my weapon. First catch of the day. Ah! It's coming out! Alright, what's next? How much can we pick up with this? Pot's not working. Toaster. Nope, no toaster. Oh, there we go. We got paper towels. Alright, we got our little pan here. Knives. We got a knife now. What else can we get? The pan? I don't think the pan's gonna work. It's a little out of control. If you're wondering if you're gonna get your money's worth out of this, I believe you will. Watch me get this knife throw. Where's the magnet? You're getting a little off topic here. Let's see if it'll pick up my shotgun. Oh my God. That's at least like 40 pounds right there. God. Ugh. And that thing's on there, dude. It's on there. Oh my God. Spin it around. Get the magnet on there. That is freaking strong. Good God Almighty. And look, we've been using it. Look what's been happening. It's been spinning freely. You'll use this, and before you know it, you'll lose your magnet. That's why you gotta throw that thread locker on there. Before they had the thread lock stuff, you used to have to get super glue or Gorilla Glue and put it on the threads. That happened to me a couple times where we would use the magnet, we would throw it out and bring it back in, and you throw it out and your rope would land at your feet and the magnet would just go flying. So that's my review of the fishing magnet. This thing's freaking strong. Can't wait to like go try it out somewhere. I gotta carry this to my room. Oh my God.